Hello, Infant A babies. It's Miss Ashley. I miss you so much while we're not in school, so I wanted to say hello. Hi. And we can sing a couple songs together and read a story together. So first, I want to sing Five Little Ducks. Five Little Ducks. We love this song. Are you ready? Five little ducks went swimming one day over the pond and far away. Mama duck said, quack, 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 quack. But only four little ducks came back. Four little ducks went swimming one day over the pond and far away. Mama duck said, quack, 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 quack. But only three little ducks came back. Three little ducks went swimming one day over the pond and far away. Mama duck said, quack, 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 quack. But only two little ducks came back. Two little ducks went swimming one day over the pond and far away. Mama duck said, quack, 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 quack. But only one little duck came back. One lonely ducky went swimming one day over the pond and far away. Mama duck said, quack, 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 quack. And all five duckies came swimming back. Yay! So, since we're busy making animal noises, I thought we could read a book together that's called Noisy Farm. It has all kinds of fun animal noises that we can make together and listen to. So here we go. Noisy Farm. This is a cow. She lives in a barn with her spotted calf. The cow likes to eat grass. Can you moo like a cow? Can you moo? It goes like this. Moo. That's what a cow says. This is a rooster. He wakes up the farm each day with a loud crow. He lives with hens and chicks. Can you crow like a rooster? Let's listen to see what it sounds like. Cock-a-doodle-doo! That's a rooster. These are piglets. They are baby pigs. They like to play in the straw and roll in the mud. They have curly tails. Can you oink like a pig? Let's see what it sounds like. Oh! These are lambs. Lambs are baby sheep. They like to jump and play. Can you baa like a sheep? Let's hear what it sounds like. Bah! Now, this is a horse with her foal. The horses are the fastest animals on the farm when they gallop through the fields. Can you neigh like a horse? Let's hear that. Neigh! Wow! Now that we've visited the farm, which animal is your favorite? Can we make all of the sounds again? Here, let's listen to all of them. We'll point to each animal as we hear them. That's all the animals. So now that we've listened to all the animals on the farm, let's sing Old MacDonald Had a Farm, and we'll point to some of the animals as we get there. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Oh, old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there. Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a rooster, E-I-E-I-O. With a cock-a-doodle-doo here and a cock-a-doodle-doo there. And here a cock-a-doodle-doo, there a cock-a-doodle-doo. Everywhere a cock-a-doodle-doo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh, neigh here and a neigh, neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh, neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Yay! Oh, so much fun making noises on the farm with you, friends. Last thing, I wanted to show your parents at home something that might be a fun activity to do. We've played with cotton balls before. Do you see them? They're so fun to pull apart. So, something that might be fun to do at home is you could print out a picture of something that is white and fuzzy, like a bunny rabbit, which you also might see on the farm. And you can take some glue, and after playing with your cotton balls a little bit, you can glue the cotton balls to the rabbit to make some really fun, fuzzy art. So I hope you are having fun at home. We miss you so much, and I can't wait to see you soon, babies. Mwah! Bye-bye.